Looking at questions number 8 and 9, the major label on these are tenths. So the tick marks in between are going to represent hundredths, but we have to determine if they represent 1/100th each or 2/100ths. So because there's only 4 marks in between each tenth, then each tick mark has to represent 2/100ths. So 0.62, that's going to be the first mark past the 0.6. .4, there are no hundredths on this, so we actually already have a mark for 0.4. It's already labeled. So I just need to mark right on that label and then shade in the syringe.